Today, I'll show you how to connect Mendeley to Google Docs, or more accurately, how to use Mendeley references inside Google Docs with a simple workaround. Even though there isn't a direct integration like there is with Microsoft Word, you can still add citations from Mendeley into your Google Docs quickly and reliably. Let's walk through the process step by step so you can use your reference library without any hassle. First, open Mendeley. You can use either the web version in your browser or the desktop application, whichever you normally work with. Make sure you're signed in and that your library is fully synced, especially if you've been adding papers on another device. It's a good idea to organize your references into folders or use tags ahead of time because that will make it easier to find what you need when you're writing. Once Mendeley is open, navigate to the part of your library that contains the references you want to cite. This might be a specific folder for a project, a shared collection, or simply your main library. Take a moment to confirm that the reference details are correct. Check author names, titles, years, and journal information. If anything looks off, fix it now in Mendeley, because whatever appears there is what will be copied over to your document. Next, select the references you need. You can choose a single reference if you only need one citation, or select multiple references if you're going to insert several at once, or create a reference list. In most cases, you can select multiple entries by holding down the appropriate modifier key on your keyboard while clicking. If you're planning your bibliography, selecting all relevant items in one go can save time later. Now look toward the bottom area of the Mendeley interface. You should see an option labeled something like Copy As. This is the key feature that lets you move your citations into Google Docs. Click on Copy As and you'll be presented with a few choices for how the reference is formatted. Here you'll want to select the type of citation you need. For most purposes, formatted citation will be enough. This option creates a citation or reference entry that is ready to paste directly into your document and will usually follow the citation style you've set in Mendeley, such as APA, MLA, or Chicago. After you select your preferred format, Mendeley will copy the citation to your clipboard. You should see a small confirmation, often appearing as a green box or similar notification, letting you know that the citation has been copied successfully. If you don't see it, try again and make sure the reference is still selected. With your citation now copied, switch over to your Google Docs document. Place your cursor exactly where you want the citation to appear. For in-text citations, click at the end of the sentence or clause you're referencing. For a bibliography or reference list, click where you want that list to begin, usually at the end of your document, then simply paste. The formatted citation from Mendeley will appear right in your Google Doc. You can repeat this process for as many references as you need. While it isn't a full automatic integration, this method gives you a straightforward way to rely on your Mendeley library while writing in Google Docs without having to retype or manually format your citations.